Good evening. Less than 2 weeks before drug consumption sites are set to be closed by the province, a last-minute court challenge is aiming to win them some kind of a reprieve. CTV's Jeff Pickel joins us now with more on this story. So, Jeff, what is the outcome that the group filing this challenge is hoping for?
Well, Tony, there is both a short-term and a long-term goal. Short-term, they hope to convince a judge there is enough evidence to put at least a temporary halt on the CTS closures. Long-term, they hope to make their case to that judge that the law closing these sites is unconstitutional and they overturn it.
On April 1st, 10 CTS locations, including in Kitchener and Guelph, will be forced to shut down. Today, a group of community activists and experts talking over a legal game plan to try to prevent that from happening.
The applicants are seeking an injunction. So what they're asking for is for the court to make an order really quickly to put this law on hold.
Part of this province-wide coalition is Michael Parkinson from the Waterloo Region Drug Action Team.
So we're hoping the judge will consider the evidence and come to a rational decision that is based on evidence and the wisdom of communities, including a number of people right here in Waterloo Region.
The court challenge says the province's Community Care Recovery Act that is forcing the closure of 10 CTS sites is in violation of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, Section 7, the right to life, liberty, and security of person, and Section 15, that guarantees equality rights, ensuring every individual is equal under the law.
That could be everything from throwing out the entire act, or it could be modifications to the act. For example, the judge could decide to strike down the 200-meter rule. We'll see what happens.
According to Parkinson, they have a very strong case to make.
We're suggesting that the fact that so many people will die because of this act violates those charter rights and supersedes any potential public safety arguments that the government may make.
Oral arguments are expected to be heard on Monday and Tuesday of next week, at which time an injunction could be issued.
So even if an injunction is granted and the CTS sites can remain open, the provincial funding has now dried up, so these facilities would be forced to look for other funding sources.